Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp wontons. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. This includes 1 pound of fresh shrimp, a package of wonton wrappers, and essential aromatics like garlic and ginger. Having everything prepped makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. We'll also need some basic seasonings to enhance the flavor of our delicious filling. Now, let's create our delicious shrimp filling. Begin by finely chopping your peeled and deveined shrimp into small, consistent pieces. This texture is key for a great wonton. Next, in a bowl, combine the chopped shrimp with minced garlic, grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. A small pinch of white pepper will really elevate the flavors. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Wrapping the wontons is a fun and crucial step. Take 1 wonton wrapper and place about 1 teaspoon of your shrimp filling right in the center. Dip your finger in a small bowl of water and lightly moisten all 4 edges of the wrapper. Now, fold the wrapper diagonally to form a triangle, pressing firmly to seal the edges. Then, bring the 2 bottom corners of the triangle together, overlapping them slightly, and press to seal. To cook your beautifully wrapped wontons, bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully drop the wontons in, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. They typically cook in about 3 to 4 minutes, floating to the surface when done. Remove them with a slotted spoon and serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a sweet chili or soy ginger blend. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade shrimp wontons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.